Okay, so I've got these lines put in. Head over to NAPA and got some of this nickel tubing. Reasonably bendable, not as soft as copper. And put in the oil pressure gauge. With the original T, I didn't want to try to take that T out. And then the elbow I had an elbow was, the threads were messed up, so I had to put in this spacer arrangements, and then over to the T, over to the filter, to the pump, the low volume pump, and we're good. We're good to go. Let me spin on our filter and fire this puppy up and see if it leaks. It shouldn't leak. All right, well, it took me a while, but I got all the tubing bent and connected, and we'll see if this thing leaks and starts up and does all it's supposed to do. Okay, fuel on, a little bit of choke, all choke, and so that was a fun project. Replacing the old oil filter. The original tubing was steel, quite hard to bend without some kind of a bender, which I don't really have. I made my own bender with the jigsaw. I cut out a little shape and made a little bender thing that helped me out. But I went down and got some nickel, some kind of nickel alloy tubing from NAPA that worked really well. What else? Yeah, I had to make a few trips to the store. I thought I didn't have the elbow I had didn't work. The threads were messed up. So I went to the NAPA. They didn't have that piece. It was only after I finished that I realized I had two of them right on the old filter. But anyway, it's all plumbed up and it seems to work. Boy, I got an experience of the crankcase pressure when I opened that lid, and I got some drops of oil on my glasses. That was a little bit of surprise because I read in one of the old manuals to look in there to see the oil flow. Don't look in there with the engine running unless you want oil in your face. Okay, well, thanks to everyone who helped out, and I look forward to getting some new attachments. I've got my grass cutter working. Took the plow off, put the grass cutter on. That thing works great. I hit a rock and it just obliterated the rock. I'm trying not to hit a rock in the future. I was able to adjust the clutch on the thing as well. It was originally it was seized up pretty badly, so I loosened it, got it slipping, tightened it back up to the recommended slippage, and yeah, I think that's working well. My next project is to put the snowblower on, but it'll be another little bit of time before I get the chance to use that. Very exciting. Thanks, everybody.